Today we will look at the Bruin Light Sense Sound Cash Register. Bruin is a Toys R Us brand, so expect to only find it at Toys R Us for ages 3 and up. On the box it says real working calculator, measuring scale, light scanner with beeping sound, play money and credit card, shopping basket with play food. It takes 2 AA batteries which are included. Let's get this open. This set comes with some play money, a bunch of play produce, the unit itself with a scanner, the register, and the scale. It is indeed a real calculator with an 8-digit display. The buttons are missing a tactile click and are quite squishy, so they require a firm press for it to register. It has a little pretend microphone and the open button, which makes a loud, satisfying beep. The scanner is also a button which beeps and is equivalent to the equal button on the calculator. The conveyor belt can be physically forced to move back and forth. The belt is far too small for the groceries that it comes with. As you can tell, the latch on the cash drawer is really loose and it pops open quite often when playing with the unit. The play scale pushes down a little and the scale readings move. The spring is so strong that it won't function with any of the items that it comes with. It comes with this pretend credit card. Put it in the slot and it makes a nice dialing sound. There is a small button in the slot, so when you slide a card into the slot, it hits the button and it will make this dialing noise. It comes with some play money. You only get one of each of the notes. And it is only printed on one side. So it would be best to make some copies of the money or just use some Monopoly money. It also comes with 8 plastic coins. Two of each in denominations of $1, 50 cents, 5 cents, and 10 cents. You can use real coins instead of these. As you can see, the drawer itself is quite small and shallow, so it will only fit one stack of bills and a few coins. The coin section is actually rounded on the bottom, so the coins cannot sit flat. But the drawer is too shallow for the coins to stack upwards. Some of the coins end up flying out of the drawer when it is flung open. The groceries that it comes with are some ketchup, bottle of water, some mustard, a can of sardines, some grapes, an onion, a tomato, and a corn cob. And it also includes a shopping basket. The scanning part is nice when pretending to scan as it beeps and lights up. As you can see, the entire cash register is all one piece. The conveyor and scale do not separate. It is a nice cheap toy for your toddler learning numbers and shopping. There are some problems with the design, but the kids won't notice. The kids would love the sound that it makes when they play with it, and the scanning button is great. That's it for now. See you next time.